lamb chop?
Yeah.
And what's on the kebab? What?
Lamb shawarma. Chicken shawarma.
Chicken shawarma. Look at this, man. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're in Newark, New Jersey. This is my town, man. We are on William Street and Treat Places that way. Halsey's behind me. So we are Treat Places that way. Halsey's behind me. So we're between Treat Place and Halsey on William Street, okay? Over there, back there, that used to be Jay's Diner. Where you see the artwork there, that used to be Jay's. And we're about to go into a spot called the Kabob House. And some of y'all around the world may call it the Kabob House. The Kabob House. My friend Sailing into Freedom call it the Kabob. So we're gonna go in here and see what they got, man. It's a grand opening they had recently. And I just heard about this spot from Antonio Vala. Thanks, Antonio, from Have You Met Newark. Let's go in here and check it out. Let's go check it out, y'all. They still got the grand opening flags up. We're going, man. We're going in here. We're going in here. Got the balloons. That's Zoe behind me, y'all. Zoe trying to sneak up. Go check it out, man. Let's go check it. How you doing? All right. Let's go. How you doing? All righty. Good, good. We're gonna check out the House. Grand opening, y'all. Let's see what we're gonna get. Lamb chop?
Yeah.
And what's on the kebab? What type of meat?
Beef shish kebab.
Beef?
Chicken kebab.
And the chicken?
Ground beef and lamb.
Ground beef and lamb. Oh,
This
wow.
is lamb shawarma.
Lamb shawarma.
Chicken shawarma.
Chicken shawarma. It looks delicious. Oh yes, fresh. They make falafel fresh here. Next time we come, we get some falafel. Oh, she put some in the oil now. That's falafel, y'all. That's good. Okay, y'all, they got that fresh baklava right there. It looks absolutely delicious, man. I'm gonna say it's diet, but y'all know it's not diet. But I'm gonna say it's diet, okay? Because I need to hear myself say that. Look at this, man. Man, oh, you do have falafel too? Oh my goodness, man. They brought the whole... Oh, what type of meat again?
Lamb chop.
That's the lamb chop. Okay, and I got the chicken.
Chicken kebab. Shish kebab.
Shish kebab. And then we have the mix with the beef and what?
Ground lamb and beef.
Beef and the lamb right here.
Yes.
Thank you. Wow, ground lamb and beef right there, y'all. So y'all remember where I pointed. Wow, this is awesome. Thank you. Yep. Okay, thank you. That's the boss, y'all. He said enjoy the food. We got you got chicken shawarma.
Yeah.
Okay. And look, for all of my vegan people, they got some delicious looking falafels, man. I want it now. I'm gonna check it out. Zoe, you let me know if you want some of this.
Okay.
She said, okay. She's not getting none of my food. And then we got Baba
Baba
Ganoush.
Ganoush.
Baba Ganoush, what is it?
Baba Ganoush.
Thank you very much. Baba Ganoush. Look at that, man. We're gonna really dig in here. That looks delicious. Thank you.
The restaurant is halal.
Halal. Everything's halal.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. 100% halal. Zoe, how is it so far?
Good. I love the chicken.
You like the chicken? She said she loved the chicken and the flavors, y'all. All right, it's my turn. And first thing we're gonna try is the falafel. And we're gonna put some of this, it looks like tahini sauce tahini sauce? Tahini? Tasika sauce. Ah, okay. Thank you. Let's check it out. Check it out. This falafel, y'all, is deliciously fresh. Y'all saw her making it in the back. She had a little scoop and it was fresh made falafel. If you want to know what falafel's made out of, it's made out of chickpeas, exactly. Zoe knows. Zoe's going for one. This is good, y'all, but I want to go to some meat right now. There's a lot of food here, y'all. You can dip that falafel in the baba ganoush too if you want. I'm gonna use my Carolina forks here and I'm gonna pull some of this lamb off. Lamb had a good pull to it. I'm gonna taste the lamb. It's tender, y'all. I taste some hot spices too. Ooh. This lamb is really good lamb, man. But now, ooh, there's some fatty piece right there. See that fatty piece? Y'all know I like that. See that? Let's dip this. I'm just gonna eat this first, and then I'm gonna do some dipping. I pulled a little fat, and I got the meat piece there. Let's check it out. That was a little fatty. It's taste. The flavor in the meat is delicious. Zoe's going for the baba ganoush. Okay. I didn't notice this before, but it also has that little charcoal flavor, that little grill on the fire charcoal flavor. Next, I went to my regular fork now. Let's taste the chicken. See that chicken right there? The flavor is delicious. There's some peppers and onions underneath the chicken here. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna move things around here. Look at this. Hold up, let me move that fork too. Look at this, y'all. Look at that right there. I wanna go into the lamb and the beef. That was the chicken. So far, so good. I'm going back to my Carolina forks. This was the lamb and the beef right here. See that? I'm shaking a little, but you guys don't mind the shake. Let me see, I'm gonna break that off. This looks delicious. This is the lamb and the beef mix, y'all. It's very delicious. I'm gonna put some baba ganoush on this because I can. Looks like it has a little olive oil like on the baba ganoush. I should be putting this on the bread too, y'all, but I just want to mix a little bit that. It's all gonna go to one place anyway. Zoe said the chicken shawarma is delicious. The lamb chop is good. This beef and the lamb mix is totally delicious. Hold up. I just want to eat some more. I want to get around to everything, but this is so delicious.
So they grounded up the lamb and the beef and then put it together?
Yep. So it's almost like a lamb and a beef patty almost. Kind of shaped in like a flatted hot dog. Zoe's agreeing. I can't stop eating this. I have to stop though, because there's so much food here. This is what I'm gonna do, right? That taste is so delicious in it. I think onions will really spark it up. I know what I'm talking about, y'all. I'm a foodie. Oh my goodness. See, me and Zoe right now, we're supposed to be somewhere editing photos, but I had to come to this spot at suggestion once again of Antonio Vala. I'm mixing in the raw onions and this beef and lamb. Okay, we had the hummus. We had the falafel. had the baba ganoush. The veggies, I know already, man, the veggies is dope because they look so fresh. This is lamb too. This is part of the lamb kebab. I want to taste it. I just want to sit here, y'all, and eat, like put some of the baba ganoush on everything, but I want to taste the meat just as it is. This one has more of that like barbecue grilled flavor, but it's very juicy, man. It has a little bite to it, so it's not melting in your mouth, but it's delicious. I'm gonna put this on the plate and then I'm gonna add some baba ganoush. I'm being real careful, y'all, because Zoe don't like you double dipping and putting stuff that you bit off in the sauce, so I'm paying attention to and respecting my baby girl, how she likes to eat too. And I get it too, man. I don't like people double dipping either. Here we go. I'm just gonna set some of this on my plate, y'all. This is the baba ganoush. And she's tearing it up, so it's delicious. Here we go. Oh, you know, I got a little hummus on that one too. That different mix of flavors is absolutely delicious. Zoe, eat that one.
Actually, I want to use one.
What? Chicken?
This one.
That's the lamb from the kebab.
What's this one?
From the kebab. And this one's the mix. You didn't try the mix yet, right? Plate, man. Look at this. Look at that mix of onions and the chicken. And what I'm gonna do is set this over here by the rice. I don't know if y'all can see that on the GoPro. You know what? I'm gonna use this spoon though. Let me get some more first. Zoe don't like raw onions. I don't know if she does, but she just said no because I see her not eating it, so.
Yeah, I was surprised that you ate just the raw onions.
The raw onion is delicious, man. Onions are delicious. I don't just sit here and eat raw onions at home, of course, but when you have it with the beautiful mix of flavors, man, and Middle Eastern and Mediterranean flavors that I'm experiencing right now,
I really like that.
see, that's what I'm saying. What'd you say, Zoe?
I really like that.
She likes that, y'all. I don't know if you can see her.
I'll do the rest of it.
You can have the rest of it. She's asking for the rest of it. She really likes the beef and the lamb patted together. She likes that, and it's totally delicious, man. All right, y'all, I gotta do it. All right, the mic. Look at this. Y'all know I'm not a big lover of rice, and I like my rice sticky, but did you get rice? You wanna pull some off?
Yeah.
You wanna put it on your plate? You can, just put it on your plate. Put it wherever you want to. That's all you want? Or you gonna want more? Taste it.
Yeah.
Is it just like rice, or is it typical rice for you? I think because I added the onions. Y'all know I'm not a lover of rice. I think this is some good rice. But I must tell you though, I did eat some of the onions raw and I still taste that flavor along with the rice. And I know my dad used to love rice and onions.
I still can't believe you're just eating the raw onions.
She don't believe I'm eating the raw onions. She don't believe I'm eating the raw onions, but it's such a delicious flavor. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people, but you're hanging with the right cat now. Enjoy your day. Peace. I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the rest of my meal because it's absolutely delicious. If you're in Newark or visiting in town, come down and check out this spot, the Kabob House, or as my friend from Sailing Into Freedom would say, the Kabob House. James from Sailing Into Freedom, the Kabob House. I'm eating rice, y'all, I don't believe it. That rice has good flavor. And I just wanted, you wanted some veggies? The cabbage tastes like it has a little vinegar in it. Let me put some veggies on here too. Put some veggies on there. See that? There we go. Now it's like a falafel sandwich without the falafel. I don't want to knock this off. That was really delicious, but the baba ganoush went all out the back of the sandwich. What happened?
Those videos, vegetables have vinegar too.
Did this taste vinegary to you too? Mm-hmm. Good. Okay. Just want to make sure I'm giving a. Let me see. Let me use this. Do something like your grandmother would never do. Put some veggies over there. You don't like vinegar?
Then not like it. That's why I wanted to eat it afterwards. But I'm getting full.
Not really.
So
Zoe's getting full. I'm getting full. Look, y'all. They just bought us out some baklava, right? Baklava. I told y'all we was gonna get some, man. It looks delicious, right? I really want to pull this off right now. Look at that juiciness, right? From the sweetness, delicious baklava. Baklava. All right, let's go for it. See how you, Zoe done bit into it. Tell me. I really don't want to eat mine. I want to save it till later so I can have some milk, ice cold milk, but this is like eating sweet, delicious dessert that's real meaty in flavor. Oh! There y'all go, y'all know I'll be dropping. Look at the piece that came off, man. Oh man, we're out for real this time. I gotta lick my finger. I love the fact that I can go and find almost any country, any culture, not any, almost any culture here in Newark, New Jersey. Newark, New Jersey has it. And if you don't go to Newark to get it, you can go to East Orange, West Orange, South Orange, the Oranges, Hillside, Irvington. Or if you want to, you can go right across the river to this little town called New York City and all of its boroughs. And we will be covering there too. Once again, it's your man, Matt DV. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Thanks to all our patrons. Thank you, thank you. Thanks to all of those who signed up and given the extra by hitting the dollar sign. By hitting the dollar sign thanks button and giving a little extra. Y'all know I like to drink coffee when I'm editing, so that button is right there. It says dollar sign thanks. If you don't see the dollar sign thanks button, you'll see 3 little dots. Hit that dot and the dollar sign thanks button is hiding in there. Once again, it's your man, Matt DV. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. Was it that way? Was it that way? Or is it that way?